Hi guys, welcome. In today's video, I'm going to be taking you through my skincare routine. I treat myself to this once a week as it calms me and makes me happy, and I hope it does the same for you. I'm extremely passionate about skincare and hence I try out a lot of different products all the time. I want to emphasize you definitely don't need all these products, and what works for me may not work for you. I'm 42, a mother of 3, and just gave birth to my third. I find the need to up my skincare game. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. I start off by pulling my hair back, and the first product I use is the Dior Rose Cleansing Balm. It's a beautiful first cleanse. I use it sparingly as a little bit goes a very long way. It glides on like silk. It removes every ounce of makeup. It feels luxurious, and the best part for me is that it smells like a beautiful fresh cut bouquet of roses. I massage my face with this for at least a minute in circular motions. I then wet my makeup eraser cloth and I use it to remove all of the cleansing balm. I now use the Tatcha Rice Foaming Enzyme Powder as a second cleanse. I love this product. This has lasted me for at least a year and a half. I wet my face and use the balls of my fingers to gently move in circular motions across my face for at least a minute. This product is coarse enough to exfoliate my skin and gentle enough that it doesn't leave any micro tears or it doesn't break my skin. A tip I can give you to make this product last a very, very long time is to adjust the opening of the cleanser to let out a very, very tiny amount, because a little bit goes a very long way. I also don't use this every day. I use it maybe once every 2 days. For this next step, a lot of you might find this really funny, but I am just using what I have at home. I don't have a steamer, a facial steamer, so I'm just using the clothes steamer that I have, and this helps to open up the pores and get ready for the next step of taking in all the beautiful skincare and serums and oils that I'm going to be using. I really enjoy this step, and it is very comforting and very calming. And if you don't have a steamer, you can use a bowl of hot water, put your head over it, and cover your head with a towel. I now start off by using the Ulla Henriksen Glow Toner Dark Spot Toner. It's a glycolic toner and I really like it a lot. I now layer on the Misha First Step Essence by patting it into my skin and pressing it into my skin gently. I now pat on the TNS Essential Serum. I use less than a pea-size amount as this is a very expensive serum and I try to make it last an entire year. This is a serum that helps improve the overall skin tone, and it is filled with peptides, antioxidants, and growth factors. I now layer on the Osmosis Skin Repair Serum. My first son decides to pay me a visit. I now use the Laneige serum. I love this brand. I love this product. I have extremely dry skin and we have harsh winters here in Canada, and this actually helps plump, moisturize, and keep my skin soft and supple. My second son decides to pay me a visit. I now use the Niacinamide Serum by Paula's Choice, and I layer that on and pat it into my skin. I now use the Cosrx Snail Mucin Essence. I use the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. As you can tell, I love Tatcha, I love their products. They're extremely luxurious, and I also love what it does for my skin. To seal everything, I use a few drops of argan oil. And as I'm nearing the end, they've come to tell me that my third son has finally woken up and needs me to go down. I use my jade roller that I normally keep in my fridge to give myself a little bit of a massage, do some lymphatic drainage, and get the blood flowing. Let me know in the comments down below what are some of your favorite products, what works for you, and what is your favorite step in your skincare routine. I now take some castor oil and apply that with a spoolie, using it to apply it on my eyebrows and my eyelashes. Try and record something now. I applied the Laneige sleeping mask on my lips, and we are done. Thank you for spending this time with me. I hope I've encouraged you to take a moment and treat yourself. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video, and leave a comment down below. Until next time, love and XO. Good night.